Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction, the SP 500 index fund prediction, and the Dxy prediction. So, if you are new here, also we are a channel, we put in every day 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin market or the crypto market in general, and the stock market and the Dxy or US dollar index. So, if you are interested, you can join us. It's very easy. Just turn the bell notification, my friend, and subscribe to our channel. And you're going to receive all our latest updates. And if you want our Telegram, you're going to find it in the first comment, my friend. So let's start our lesson of today, my friend. So as you see, my friend, here in the Bitcoin, what else we said yesterday, exactly what we said. And yes, today the news, it came positive about USA GDP or finalized GDP. As you see, yesterday we used to be here, and today the price it went up till here, till that zone here, till here exactly, my friend, as you see it in that candle. And now it's going down again. So let's wait in tomorrow what the Fed Jerome Powell is going to say, because that one is going to make a big difference in the market. Till now, as you see it, my friend, also we stay ranging here. There is nothing new. So here in the daily, my friend, there is nothing new. Everything's still the same. There is only here at that place a war between buyers and sellers. As you see, the buyers, they wanted to go up, and the sellers, they're pushing down from here and here. So we don't know what's going to happen till now. And that lower of that channel, it's still holding very powerful, my friend. So let's wait in what the future going to bring for us, my friend. As you see it, also we still have here that divergence. I showed it to you before, here and here like that. But till now, there is nothing confirmed, my friend. Also, we're still waiting that Jerome Powell, what is going to say, and that Jackson Hole, what is going to do to the market. Because that Jackson Hole, always when it came, the US dollar, it surged up, the stocks, they fall down, the yield, they going up. So you need to make a close attention at that Jackson Hole. And by the way, I think it's going to stay for 3 days. So make a close eye at those things, my friend. Now is the time of news. When the daily candle is finished, my friend, I'm going to come back to you and update you. Let's see our indicators, what they say, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, my friend, when it touching that one here, that lower of that trend, it go up and enter inside that zone here. So till now, it stays stronger and stay above it. I think we are going to go till here, till that high again, till here to touch the long-term trend, that one, as we used to have here. Then after that, I think we are going to go down, or let's hope it's going to break it. If it's break it, it's going to be very good for us, my friend. And that way, me, I update you every day, my friend. So if you are new here, you can join us. And by the way, if you've been a subscriber with us, smash the like button, my friend. Help us to growing up more that channel, because it's still small and we need your help. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go into see now the SP 500 index fund, the prediction of it. What is it there for the people who trade in the stock market to know the bigger picture, what is happening. Here we are, my friend, in the SP 500. SP, as you remember, we used to have here the 200 moving average, and that level here, as we draw it together. If you haven't watched our previous videos, you can watch them where we draw in all those levels, supply and demand zones, those ones. And today we added that wage, my friend, as you see it. And that one, it's showing the price when it touching here. The top of it here, it falling down. So I think we are going to go lower, my friend. That was me, I told you in the previous videos, my friend. I told you it's going to go lower. Yes, it's going to make a small correction today, maybe here, maybe something. But we are going to go lower, my friend. It's going to make like here, how it done it here. If you see it here, then he give you here a cup and handle. Then after that, he drop. Same thing I think he's going to do here. Make like that. And now he's going to make for you like that, another one here. Then after that, he's going to drop, my friend. So you need to make a close eye at those things, my friend. As you see it, every time you're doing the same thing here. So every time you're doing the same cup and handle, then it fall down, my friend. So I think even now it's going to do the same thing. So we are going to go lower. So the people that trade in the stock market, you need to be worried about those things, my friend. It's still more room for downside, my friend. Be careful. All the stock traders, be careful. If you are an investor, just DCA, because now is a very good opportunity. The market will not go lower than that. So now let's see in the 4 hours here in the SP 500, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, my friend, as you see it, yesterday what we told you touch here. I think it will make for us like that. Then after that, it will drop. So let's hop in, because now here in the 4 hours, we are above than the 200 moving average. That means also we are here in an uptrend. So you need to make close eye at those levels, my friend. As you see, it's still 24 minutes for the market to close. So let's hope that candle it will not stay like that, because how is it now? Let me zoom it to show it to you. Because that candle, how it is now, as you see it, it gives you here a pin bar. And that pin bar is showing and indicate that the market is going to drop again. So let's hope, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let's see our indicators, my friend, what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. Here, my friend, as you see it, that one, it stay here. It's being here at the overbought area. And now it's going down to the oversold area, my friend. Maybe it could do another thing, go back here to the overbought area, then after that it will drop. But you need to make a close eye at that overbought area, my friend. So everything is too clear, my friend. Now let's go into the DXY or US dollar index for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. So let's go in there. Here, my friend, in the DXY, as you remember, also we said here we got that zone here. And when the news about the GDP, it came here positive. As you see, the US dollar index, it fall down, or the DXY, it fall down. But before the market close, as you see it, what it doing there, let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, my friend, it came here, that red candle, it indicate also we are going to go down. Came that pin bar, indicate also we are going to go down. But look what happened today. Today, the candle here, it push him up, my friend. If it finish it like that, when the daily candle finish it, that means the DXY or US dollar index, it will go in to give us another high, my friend. To calculating where is going to be the target, it just brings that indicator of us, that one, the Fibonacci retracement. Then you bring it here, like that, my friend. So the target, my friend, is going to be here at that zone of 112.137, my friend. So I think the DAX is going till here, till that zone, my friend. So make a close eye at those things, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let's go in here to lower time frames to show you more about that DXY, what it do until now. As you see it, my friend, the DXY here, what it giving you here in that zone. If you bring like that, and you do it like that, it give you here a flag, and that flag, to calculate it, you came here, and here when it's going to break. So as I told you, the target is going to be here. So make a close eye at those things, my friend. Everything is too clear. Let's go in back to the Bitcoin, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, my friend, in the Bitcoin. Now let's go into the 4 hours to show you what is it there in the Bitcoin, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, my friend, as you see the Bitcoin, what it giving us here in that zone, exactly here. I tell it to you before, it give us here a flag, and that flag, you just came here, you calculating from here, when it's going to be broken, the target of you is going to be here, the previous low here. So that the target of the Bitcoin, my friend, let's go back to the chart and show you more. So the target of the Bitcoin, my friend, is going to be here, as we make it yesterday, us, here at that zone. Or it's going to drop till here, my friend, 19,462.47, my friend. So make a close eye at that level where we are now, if it's going to hold or no. If the Bitcoin break it, we are going to go till here, my friend. Everything in front of you, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated, my friend. So I'm going to update you when the daily candle finishes, my friend. But till now, also we are in a downtrend, my friend, as you see it in front of you. So let's see what's going to happen. Now let me show you our indicators, what they say, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it go out from here, from the overbought area. So it's trying to go upward now. Let's see if it's going to go upward. If it's not, it's going to fall down again to give you another oversold area. And that zone here, and here, need to make a close attention at it. And is it near to it now? Here is going to be. When it's going to touch it, let's see if it's going to break it. If it's break it, we are going to the overbought. If it's not, it's going to fall down again, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. But there is another falling down, my friend. I think it's going to fall down like that. Then after that, it's going to go upward, my friend, because the sellers, they're still powerful now than the buyers. And in the weekly, also we are in a downtrend, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Now let's go into 30 minutes to show you more. What is it there for the picture to be more clear to you? Here in 30 minutes, my friend, as you see it, the same thing as we draw it before here, or the same flag like that, or a wedge. You can name it anything you want. It's look like a wedge, but as you see here in 30 minutes, also we are above the 200 moving average. And the 200 moving average here in 30 minutes, it's still moving average here is acting like a support, my friend, to the price, what doesn't let it to fall down. So as you see it, my friend, every time he came there, he tried to bounce up. So I think now my friend, you need to make a close attention at that 200 moving average. If the price break it, you're going to go down. If it go and break for you the last high, that one, you're going to go higher than that. So make a close eye at those levels, my friend. Let me show you my chart. Here it is my chart, my friend. Me, I still have here that channel. Also we draw it before. And now here about the wake off, as you see it, my friend. What it given us. Also we are in a accumulation level. We are going to see what's going to happen, my friend. Now, if the price going to break up, we are going to go higher. If the price break low, we are going to go lower than that. So we are now in a sideways market, my friend. All the people, they waiting that Jerome Powell tomorrow what he going to say. So Crystal Lagarde today, she speak about the ECB or European Central Bank, but she doesn't act that much because all the world, all the investors, the eyes of them in the USA. So make a close attention tomorrow, my friend, when the Jerome Powell came, what he going to say. And now, my friend, as you see where we are, there is nothing new here. It's our indicators, what they say, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it here, it tried to give you here like a divergence, my friend, as you see it here in the chart and there. And that man also we are going to go lower, my friend. So make a close attention at that level. And if you remember what I told you yesterday, I told you came from here in that indicator, my friend, and you make it like that. And as you see it, when it came to it here, it bounced up. So if you are a scalper and those things, well, if you make money, and now is it at it. So if you want to scalp or something, you always use stop lose. By the way, that indicator to get it, my friend, you go here in the channel to one video, his name, how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. In the description of that video, you're going to find that indicator. Just download that and unzip it and install it in your trading view. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for today's video, my friend. See you in the daily candle. Finish it, my friend. Bye for now.